This jump demonstration shows how to find the Kaplan-Meier estimates of reliability. We'll use the FAN data from the sample data library. The time variable indicates the observed time. If the censor variable is failed, it's an exact time. If the censor variable is censored, the fan is still working. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Reliability and Survival, then Life Distribution. Time goes in the Y role, and Censor goes in the Censor role. Then I'll click OK. The midpoint estimates of reliability are plotted. A table of both midpoint and Kaplan-Meier estimates is available under Nonparametric Estimate. You can plot both on the graph by clicking the red triangle and selecting Nonparametric Estimate Plot Options, then Both.